One of the great things that I found out about that helped so much in my health journey, that started 21 years ago, was to find out that there was a tremendous amount of deep level research that would actually help us to understand our human bodies, to get autonomy, to learn how to take care of our bodies, so we're not giving that authority to anyone else. And that information was significantly suppressed. Even though it was deeply researched and proven to be the case, it was not revealed to public. And what astounded me is that in the high-level wellness space, the biohacking space, and all these different categories that we go out and we try to learn from, no one was really talking about this stuff. This is buried information. And that lack of information, or that lack of release of info, is ways that company can take advantage of you to sell you things that you think you need and will help you actually, but they don't deal with the real root cause. They don't get right down to the depths of what's going on. So I'll give you an example. One of the things that was deeply researched by, we're talking hundreds of millions of dollars of research to find out about this, is called advanced glycation end products. Advanced glycation end products are those poisons that build up in your body as you get older, and the older you get, the more they build up. It's where glucose that your body is no longer efficiently using properly starts to bind to proteins and fats in your DNA, and it causes your body to get stiff and plugged up and lose its suppleness. It doesn't have the elasticity anymore. It affects brain function, digestion, circulation, cardiovascular, respiratory. It affects your hormonal system. It affects so many different things, from your movement to your mobility. And so these aged glycation end products, these advanced, okay, and they use the word AGES, AGES. This is some of the most important information that you can learn about. And I've taken quite a bit of time to learn and understand it. And now it is my job and my mission to get this information out so you actually know what to do about this, because you have to remove these advanced glycation end products out of your body, because you're going to start aging faster and faster and faster the older you get, so that you can see yourself going downhill a lot faster than you should be. And now you couldn't really figure it out. You're trying to do supplements and protocols and modalities and healing techniques to try to slow it down, but you're fighting a losing battle. What your body requires is very significant input of elements that will support your body's ability to get rid of this stuff, reverse the problem that they say is not reversible, which you can do, because I'm a living proof that you can reverse it. I'm in my 68th year. I was going to be dead within 3 years when I was 46 years old because of this issue. I found out how to remove all that stuff as I learned over the last 21 years, and ended up in a situation where I have a super healthy body right now, and I employ these things every single day. And it is actually involved of what's missing in your body, what is missing in your system, what your body requires to have to detoxify itself, what it requires to be able to have communications, to have your muscle systems working properly, to have your joints working properly. Your whole cardiovascular system comes back online. Your hormonal system is able to function like you are when you're young. You don't need the hormone replacement therapy stuff. You don't need any of that stuff. But you have to supply your body these elements. And these elements are, example, perfect iodine. You need a little bit of perfect iodine every day in your system, because that is the element that allows your body to communicate and to reset itself. It supports so many functions of your body, and the final function is it supports your endocrine system to function at the highest level. You also need to have transdermal magnesium coming into your body. The highest grade in the world is E's magnesium. It goes in through your skin and stores in your tissue. That gives you the fuel of magnesium you require for thousands of different biochemical reactions. If you ingest it orally, you're going to get some help doing that. But when you put it into your skin, it's far superior, because then it goes geographically and stores in the tissue of your body to be used as fuel. The third one is Solaris. Solaris is rosemary, clove, and thyme in a very concentrated emulsion that goes in to support your body's ability to remove the waste products of these advanced glycation end products that are damaging you, and eliminate them out of your system. And it does it very gently. It's converting these elements into inert matter so they leave your body safely, and you don't have to suffer on the way out. So you just start feeling better and better and better and better. So activation is all about bringing you these elements that you have to have, that you're actually missing. Instead of trying to hack your system or trying to use some device that's going to maybe help you a little bit, but it's not going to solve the problem, you get right back to the root cause, deal with that root cause problem, fix it from a foundational standpoint, rebuild your body yourself, and then you can have autonomy where you're actually responsible to take care of your body and feel better and better and better every day and get healthier and healthier as you get older, instead of the opposite. Because the opposite is what's happening with everybody. So that's just a little tidbit of what we're going to get into in the very near future. But yeah, check it out. It is advanced glycation end products. Educate yourself a little bit on that. You'll see what I'm talking about, and we'll catch you up very soon.